As you can see, the Civic has gone.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Yeah, so welcome back to CleanBuild, guys. As you can see, the Civic has gone. However, like I said, we have this new project now, and me and Josh kind of did a little bit to it, as you can see. We have kind of done some bait shit, but I think it looks dope as fuck, to be honest with you. Yeah, but I want to come on here and explain where CleanBuild's been. Basically, we tried to do a fat burnout, didn't we? Yeah. And yeah, something's gone in the gearbox. I'm hoping it's just a release bearing, but we do need to get in the garage and kind of just see what's going on with it. Like I said, we have done sort of a quick rattle can job on the bumpers and various other bits and shit, just to make it look a bit better, because let's be honest, with the grey bumpers it was just triggering me, like, oh, for fuck's sake. And Josh keeps trying to fucking tilt my plate like fucking this, because all the tilt. But yeah, it's basically rattle can the bumpers. From a distance they don't look too bad, but as soon as you get close they're pretty shit. But yeah, so the car's broken, but what I'll do is I'll leave you with some sound clips, and catch you in the next one. Hopefully the car will be fixed and we can start cracking on doing shit. I've got obviously the Civic sold, so I've got the money to do some stuff now. Just want to repair the kind of clutch, and then I've got a few things that I want to buy, so that'll be a nice little surprise for when they come. But yeah, see you guys in the next one, and I'll leave you these sound clips. Bye.